Emergency alert system. The Philippines issued an emergency action notification. Please remain calm. On October 4th, the house was stormed with air clouds and 12 p.m. glitching. Emergency alert system. The clouds was color red. Please hide right now. The moon and clouds was red. Please hide now on a deeper building. Many people died from this moon. Please take shelter from this moon. Please take shelter immediately. Many people tearing skins and head and brains. Please rescue them for calling 911. Please cover all skins now. Hide under bed. Thank you for the EAS scenario. Styston.